Hey friends, welcome back to the Destination Baby and Kids YouTube channel. This is Gina. I am your host. Very excited to be here with you today to go over this little car seat you see behind me. That is the Maxi-Cosi Ambra infant car seat. So if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. That's the best way to show your support and help me maintain my independent status for doing these reviews. Otherwise, you can go to my website, destinationbabykids.com. I'm a real brick and mortar store here in the greater San Francisco Bay Area. If you like this car seat after watching this video and you want to see more colors or purchase it, please consider purchasing it directly from me. And even if you aren't interested in the car seat, you could still head over to that website, destinationbabykids.com. We have so many fabulous items available. We have so much swimwear that just came in for the summer hats, all kinds of great stuff, sunscreen, everything best for baby on that website, destinationbabykids.com. Again, we appreciate every viewer, every review. Growing this channel and purchasing directly from the store enables me to keep doing this type of content for you, independent. We don't get any sponsorships from anybody. So again, we are so appreciative of everybody who helps make this channel successful. So I do want to say thank you. Now, we will launch into this video, but you can check out any of the other videos that are linked to this, including how to take the fabric on and off, how to install the car seat with the base, with seatbelt, with lower anchor, as well as installing the seat without the base. And then we'll also do a video showing it going onto different strollers. So buckle in, we're all set and ready to go. Excited to go over the Maxi-Cosi Ambra infant car seat with you. Okay guys, so, whoops, I've got a new remote. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the Maxi-Cosi Ambra infant car seat. So this is an infant car seat. It is exclusively rear facing, so it's never gonna turn forward. It's just a backward facing car seat. It does have a handle. So it is an infant car seat that can clip directly onto a stroller. We will be making a video showing what strollers in general that it can clip onto. But the idea is that it is super lightweight. So the overall weight of this car seat clocked in, I'm weighted on my scale at around 7 or 8 pounds, depending on if you have the body pillow in it and if the canopy's on it. So very, very lightweight car seat. It has a ton of ventilation. So not only is the material very breathable, but there's breathable parts on the side. We'll be sure to show you all of that in this video, but a lot going on with this seat at its purchase price point. So it's gonna be $399. So $399, that includes one car seat with the handle as well as the lower component, the base. But remember, this car seat can always be used with the base or without the base, provided that the vehicle has a seatbelt. So you've got that freedom to kind of take it anywhere in a taxi or an Uber, but much easier to utilize the base in your car every day. So very cool. Now, I'm gonna grab my spec sheet and we'll talk about some of the specs on the seat. So as I mentioned, it goes from 4 pounds up through 30 pounds and 32 standing inches. Some really nice features about the seat are going to be that it has an adjustable crotch piece. So I love that. You have a starting position, but then you have an additional position that moves further out. So our interior crotch position is 4 inches, and then a little bit further out, it's gonna be 5.5. So you do have about 1.5 inches room for growth there. And then the other exciting thing is that there are 6 different heights for the headrest. And when you move the headrest, it's also gonna move the shoulder component of the car seat with it at the same time. So this is not a rethread harness. It's not a manual rethread like you get with, let's say, a Nuna Pippa or Pippa Air RX, which is $650. This one for $400 has an easy up and down for the harness as well as the headpiece. So that's a very exciting feature. You do get a nice long sunshade, which is great. They call their fabric on this ClimaFlow breathable. So it's a very breathable fabric. It's very washable. It's flame retardant free, and it's made out of 100% recycled pop bottles. So very, very cool option, just like a nice green footprint, which is great. So the seat will have an 8-year expiration, which means from the date of manufacture through 8 additional years you can use it. And it does have 1 year of manufacturer's warranty. Now, something to be aware of, the seat is made in China. I know there's some confusion because some Maxi-Cosi car seats are made in the US. This one is gonna be made in China, and that's probably why that price point is so aggressive at $399. And it comes in the 3 colors, maybe as I mentioned before, but this is gonna be the brown, which I think they call Truffle. They do a black, and then they also do a gray. And you can check out all of those on my website, destinationbabykids.com, in case you wanted to see that. Some other very cool features about this car seat: it has a vegan leather handle. It's got aluminum on the handle instead of plastic, which is very nice. Let's talk about some of the dimensions of it, or let's talk about just some of the stuff going on with the seat itself. So the seat will have infant pillows in it, and what I liked about the instruction manual was that the information about the infant pillows wasn't a recommendation based on weight or age. It was based on the child's development. I'm hopeful that more car seats are going to start to do this, because I hate age and weight recommendations. They show this head and body pillow, and I'm going to bring this close to the camera so you all can see. The material is quite beautiful. You can see it has some like quilting design on it, but it's very thick. It's very soft. And these two pieces would have to be used together. So the head and the body piece for this pillow set would be used in conjunction. But the idea of this is it's going to hoist the infant's body up in a manner that will make them level for when the car seat is installed in your vehicle. So the book says, if your baby can sit up and use their head and neck without additional assistance, meaning they've got good head and neck control, you can stop using these pieces. Once they have head and neck control, you don't need to use these anymore. So on a lot of other brands, they'll say, oh, you know, at 4 through 11 pounds, you use this pillow and then you remove it. Maxi-Cosi's not going to do that. They're going to say you need to be watch and mindful of your child and look at their development. And when you notice that they've got good head and neck control, you don't need to worry about using these components anymore. So that's very exciting. They are removable pieces, so I love that. And then what was very cool is that the seat has 6 different positions for head height adjustment. So our lowest position has about 9.5 inches of seated torso height. It'll go 9.5, 10, 10.5, 11, 11.5, up to 12 inches of seated torso height. So there's a little lever or handle, on the back of the headrest that when you pull up, you're able to get that headpiece to raise. And I hope that that is able to be seen here on the video. But as you can see, when I raise the headpiece, the shoulder pieces move in conjunction with the headpiece. So I'm not physically unthreading and then rethreading to fit through other parts of the car seat. It's just a very simple adjustment to make when I'm ready. So again, we talked about the bottom position down here, the crotch piece, having a 2-part adjustment for the seat. I'll bring that over to the camera to show, but that is a relatively simple adjustment as well, if and when you wanted to move that crotch piece out. The book will say, have it in the position closest to the kiddo's body without being underneath their body. So again, maybe at 6, 7, 8 months, it's a little tight, it's sort of going below their diaper. You've got this option to move that crotch belt piece out 1 additional 1.5 inches, which should give them a little more breathing room, which is very nice. So our backrest on the seat, I measured overall to be a 22-inch shell. However, you need 1 inch above their head. So let's say a 21-inch backrest from butt to the top of the head. And then our leg depth is 11 inches. And so if you measure that 21 and 11, you do get 32, which is the overall standing height of the kiddo that would be in the seat. So that all makes sense. And then our interior dimension here of width in the shoulders is about 9 inches wide. So hopefully that's useful for people at home. The other measurement that I wanted to give, and I am going to go ahead and turn the vehicle seat here sideways, so hopefully the viewing audience can see, is that when it's installed in the car properly, the amount of space that it takes up from nose to tail is 30 inches, okay? So very, very nice option. It's not too big, it's not too short. 30 inches is about what we see on most infant car seats. Now, something else that's very, very unique about this seat is that it has an adjustable incline when it's installed in your car. So you're very, very likely when you install it, going to use it in its most reclined position. But as your kiddo gets that head and neck control, you can go ahead, there's a component on the back that you can squeeze, and the seat has this ability, and again, it is new for me, so it's taking me a second. You can raise that up to be more inclined. So you see they're like more upright. So maybe for an older kiddo, they would like that. Obviously, for a new baby, we would have it in its very likely most reclined. And again, I'm gonna make a video talking about that installation, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 different incline positions for the base to sit more upright or theoretically more reclined, but you would probably start at your most reclined. So again, we have this option to incline the seat when it's installed on the base. So very, very cool feature. Now, special things to know about this seat that I saw in the manual that I would just want to call out. The handle needs to be in this position, upright and locked when you're driving. So there's other brands that'll be like, hey, you can be in any locked position when you drive. Not this seat. This seat's gonna want this handle upright for driving. The other thing I noticed that was a little odd about the seat is that it doesn't have a European belt routing method for your baseless installation. Again, not the end of the world, but just something I wish they would have had on this seat. And the other part that was actually really interesting, and this is true of like a fair amount of Maxi-Cosi car seats, when you install it, if this is on your driver or your passenger side, they want whatever seat is in front of this seat. So if this is your passenger, like your back passenger seat, they would want your actual passenger seat making contact, like the backrest of your passenger seat, to make contact with this seat while it's installed. It's totally counterintuitive to every other seat pretty much that I've ever sold. So we would just point it out. It's a little bit more unusual. So speaking of things that are unusual about this seat, in this price point, you're gonna get a lot of safety and value for dollar. So in addition to the seat being super lightweight, having the great fabric, having nice colors, and again, we wanted to talk about some of that breathability, so I'm gonna bring the seat over and show, hopefully you guys can see, that perforated plastic. So it's all ventilated, and even in there you can see there's like holes in the plastic. That's gonna help airflow for the kiddo to remain cool. But on the base itself, you get a lot of bang for your buck. So what you're gonna get that's pretty exciting is you get rigid lower anchors, you get an anti-rebound panel, and you'll get a stability load leg. So you sort of get the trifecta of the features that you would want, safety features from the car seat, for a very cost-effective price. If I were to pick an additional car seat that had adjustable leveling with the kiddo in the seat, so like a recline and an incline, one that would have rigid lower anchors that can be tightened, and also a stability load leg and also an anti-rebound panel, the only other seats that meet that criteria that I'm aware of are gonna be Cybex and Nuna. And in both of those cases, we're gonna be paying at least $550 to $600 to $650 for those seats. So this seat with that safety set of features coming in at $400 and being ultra lightweight and working on so many strollers is really gonna be sort of like the success story that they're angling for, okay? So, I do think the seat has a lot of merit. I think the material is beautiful. Do wish the sunshade were just a little bit longer, and I also wish it had harness retainers on either side to put the little buckles over. But something that it does have that's very cool is the chest clip on this seat. This is different, is magnetic. So it's not the lower buckle, the red buckle, that's always the same on every seat, but it's the chest buckle. So that's gonna be, let me see if I can do this gently, this guy here, and when you hit it together, it just clips. When you wanna unclip it, you'll press and pull, and that is magnetic. Now, it does state in the book, if your child has any type of heart issue that they're using a pacemaker or anything like that, you would not want to use this particular car seat. So again, that might be something to keep in mind for special situations, but in general should work for most kiddos. Again, 12 months through to 18 months. It's a rear-facing seat, holds the 32 inches tall as well as 30 pounds. So all in all, a nice little option from Maxi-Cosi. And what I would encourage you to do, if you have questions or comments, is go ahead and leave them below. Now, you should also check out my video showing what strollers this fits on, because again, the car seat's $3.99. We've got a huge variety of strollers that it can click onto, but it is a little funky, so we want to show you guys how that works. And then also check out my video on how to install the seat, because we'll show installing with seatbelt, we'll show install with lower anchor, and then we'll show install without the base as well. And then I'm also going to do a video going over removing all the fabric for cleaning, because they claim the fabric is easy wash. So not only is the fabric recycled and soft and flame retardant free, they say it's easy to take on and off. I'm going to be the judge of that. We're going to do it blind just to see how truthful that is. And then we'll show you how to put the material back on the seat as well. So you can check out those videos below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Excited to have this new Maxi-Cosi Ambra at the $3.99. And again, fits on a pretty broad variety of strollers. So do you think this would make sense for you? Do you like the safety features being similar to Nuna, but just at a more cost-aggressive price? Do you like the ultralight weight? Let us know in the comments. Maybe you like the incline on the seat. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are on it, because again, new car seat. I'm just impressed from Maxi that it's so nice. I actually think this seat is pretty cool for the price, so I'm into it. All right, gang, thanks for watching, and check out those other videos.